kinatakutan at pinandirihan ang sakit na ito nung unang nadiskubre nung dekada 80.
Pinag-aaralan na ng Health Department na ideklara bilang
Some promising news here. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration has approved a new HIV
May
prevention
57
medication
taong
that has
may
been found.
HIV kada araw sa unang quarter ng 2025.
At pabata ng pabata pa ang nadaragdag sa mga kaso ng HIV.
It hits you like a tidal wave. The moment your world shatters. I found out, and it felt like the end of everything. The dreams I had, the life I imagined, gone. An invisible enemy all around us, now inside me. Then the thoughts came. On what do others really think of this virus? Of someone like me in this situation? Do they see a person? Or just a label?
Hi friend, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
What's your name?
You can call me Dindin.
Dindin, hi. My name is Prail.
Pale.
Prail.
Prail.
P-R-A-I-L. So we have this initiative about HIV awareness. We're trying to raise that, especially that it's Pride Month. We just want to know what's your say about it. Or what's your idea about HIV awareness nowadays?
Well, coming from the health sector, I was a previous, before I went to Cheese kasi.
Wow.
I was from the health sector then. Paramedic ako and my undergraduate is biology.
Wow.
So, currently, I know there's a rampant issue, diba?
Exactly.
About the cases ngayon ng HIV. It's high. And, I read something about it na marami nang nagpapatest, diba? So, the numbers are going up because marami na talaga nagpapatest. Before, it's a taboo pa kasi, diba? Like, parang hindi pa open masyado sa community and sa Philippines na, ay, huwag na lang ako magpatest because baka ma-judge ako, baka... And healthcare in the Philippines, number one, diba?
Yes.
Parang grabe pa it's very lacking. I would say it's very lacking pa as of now. So feeling ko ang dapat i-address muna yung mga fake news and stigma sa community natin because I'm also part of LGBT. I'm a trans woman, so I would appreciate it if we will have better healthcare here in the Philippines and better what they call this, parang avenue na halimbawa if magpapatest ako, if gusto ko ng treatment plan, yung may mapupuntahan agad ako and makikater sa needs ko, diba? Parang ganun. And yung hindi ako ma-judge outright.
Exactly.
Kasi we all have needs, diba? And it's part of our needs, diba? I don't judge someone na they want pleasure. Pleasure is for everyone, right? Diba? We all know that from our science subjects back from elementary or high school. So for now, let's start with ourselves, siguro. Work on ourselves. Hindi lang sa community natin, sa part of LGBTQ, for the straight people as well, diba? You can always educate yourself. My God, it's 2025. We have AIs, we have robots. So, try to open yourself sa mga issues na ganito. Kasi, hindi lang naman umiikot ang buhay natin sa own problems natin. So, I think more on inclusion pa sa Pinas in general. And sa healthcare naman, siguro mas pagtuunan pa ng pansin yung healthcare sa LGBTQ. Kaya, 'di ba, basic healthcare hindi na pagtutuunan ng pansin kasi wala tayong bills and mga batas na magpo-protect sa iyo, not just same-sex marriage,
but for everybody.
Oo, 'di ba? Yung access to healthcare. Kasi very privileged yung mga taong may access sa healthcare. 'Di ba? And nowadays, ang dami ng virus and ang dami ng mutations sa mga virus. From virus, nag-mutate lang yan na nag-mutate. So, it's very important na we have easy access to healthcare.
Thank you so much for that message. And one last thing, since we are now living in a digital era and we're promoting social media to promote awareness, can you just give like one hashtag to promote HIV awareness?
One hashtag. Promote HIV awareness. Hashtag educate and include.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
And please guys, sana mag-improve na tayo and then mag-start sa sarili natin yung pag-accept sa mga ganitong issues. Don't spread fake news.
Right.
Before you share something, before you click something, always research. Nandyan ang Google if you're not...
Source. Always the source.
Yeah, if you're not comfortable with Google, try to find a journal, a book. It's all there. Kung may time kayo mag-scroll sa social media, just ko, 1 minuto lang yan na mag-search kayo online. So, it will start within yourself. Yan.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Belle, right?
No, it's Geraldine and short is Dindin.
Thank you so much, Dindin.
You're welcome.
Hello, Kuya. Good morning po. So, today meron lang po kaming initiative about spreading HIV awareness. So, usually tinatanong namin yung mga tao dito around the society. So, are you aware po ba sa HIV? And for sure na babalitaan nyo na rin po. Ano po yung like gusto nyo i-express or what's your current idea about HIV po?
Yun naman po talagang nakakabahala rin. So, siguro hindi naman maiwasan yung kasi mahirap iwasan talaga dahil alam mo naman yung sistema rin dito. Siguro gumamit na lang po ng mga meron naman tayong mga condom or what na pwedeng gamitin. Kasi po ano talaga alam naman natin, aware naman tayong tumataas din talaga yung HIV lalo na dun sa mga LGBT community. Yun lang naman po.
Thank you. At if may message po kayo sa kahit sino man dyan po na parang takot pa magpa-test kasi parang nahihiya, takot na sila ma-judge, ano po yung message nyo po sa kanila?
Siguro po, regular, kahit sabihin mong wala kang nararamdaman, magpa-test kasi mahirap na yung malala na bago mo malamang kasi ang alam, parang may gamot na ba niya, parang wala pa naman yata.
Kaya nga po.
Yan lang naman.
Ayun, thank you so much, Kuya. Nickname nyo nga po?
Joven po.
Kuya Joven, taga saan po kayo?
Taga Caloocan po.
Okay. Thank you so much po ulit sa inyong time at dahil po sa aming initiative, meron po kami dito ang pinamabigay na protection as part of our project din po. Pati po sa kaibigan nyo po. Thank you so much po sa inyo. Thank you po. Hello bro, good morning. My name is Braille. What's your name?
My name is Ray.
Ray. Where are you heading to? Work, school?
Actually, pauwi na ng dorm. Kagaling ko lang work.
Work. So yeah, we just have like initiative of like raising awareness about HIV. I'm pretty sure that you're aware of that already, especially with the recent updates. But what can you say about the latest update about HIV? What's going on nowadays and whatnot? What's your thought about it?
For me personally, it's actually scary. pabata ng pabata yung mga nagiging active sa this kind of lifestyle which is not appropriate pa for their age. And ang malala kasi doon is with HIV doesn't have any symptoms at early age. So mas madali siyang makalat in terms of nakakatakot lang.
Yeah, I do agree. And what can, or if you can give message to those who are kind of afraid to have themselves be tested because of the stigma of what's going on, they're afraid to be judged, what message can you give to them, or would you like to give to them?
I can say that don't be afraid to be tested kasi it's for your own good. No matter what others say, no matter kung ano man yung sabihin ng kamag-anak mo, kaibigan mo, what's important is for yourself. Is if you're secured on your own, that's much more important kaysa sa kung ano mang sabihin ng ibang tao sa labas. Kaya wag kayong matakot magpa-test. If you actually know that you are active sexually, you must actually do the test itself.
Exactly. One last thing, bro, I know that your time is very important. Since that we're on a digital era na, and we're also using social media platforms to promote HIV awareness, if you can give one hashtag to promote HIV awareness, what would it be? And you don't need to explain why, but what hashtag can you give?
For me, hashtag safety 2025. Not only for this year, but hashtag safety 2025.
Hashtag safety 2025. Thank you so much, bro.
Thank you.
Take care. And we also have this protection kit as an initiative, right? So we have that freebie for everybody. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Their voices show us we're not alone. This awareness is our stepping stone. Together, we'll build a future where everyone feels seen, valued, and empowered to live their best life, free from fear and judgment.